everyone, and welcome to Bumby. Today I have for you a Dollar Tree small haul and a thrift haul. My intentions were to actually make a video at the Dollar Tree and show you all the new items that just arrived. But basically, I think there was one new item and I hauled it. There was absolutely nothing new at the Dollar Tree. It was pretty empty. And they told me that they get an order tomorrow and everything should be out on Sunday, out on the shelves. Okay, let's start with my haul. And I went ahead and I got these. And these are called berries. And I got them in the white. I thought this would be cute for Easter. And then I went ahead and I also got the amaranthus. I don't know. And I went ahead and I got these, the amaranthus, I guess. And I got these in yellow. They had them in pink and purple. Because I want to do yellows and greens for Easter. And I went ahead and I got 3 of those. And then I got, the Pod Modge in the mat. I'm out of that. And then I got this really cute terrarium. Real pretty large, guys. Never seen him this big at the Dollar Tree. So I got me one of those. I got me, because I love these, Bolero facial wipes. And this one is in the fresh lavender and citrus. And guys, if you don't know, Bolero is a Beverly Hills company. And these run for a lot of money. They're about $10 a pack. So yeah, that was a good find. And then I got this little shadow box. And of course, I'm going to do a DIY with this. And then this was the only thing that I saw new that I had not seen at my Dollar Tree before. This is a great deal. I got 100 of these pearls. And these are in the 10 millimeter size. And then I got a pack of the 12 millimeter pearls. And those are 80 count. So they actually have the hole that you can string them. Or you can use them like in the middle of a flower. So I thought these were great to do home decor. So I went ahead and I picked a package of each. And that is it for the Dollar Tree. Oh no. And then I also got this little tote bag. Look how cute. It's got green, gold, and it says love. And I plan to do a DIY home decor with this bag. And that video will be coming out later today. Okay. But I thought that I'd give you this haul so I can put the stuff away. Because then it just sits here. And I don't like that. Okay, ready for my thrift haul. I'm really excited because I got a lot of stuff that I needed. And at good prices. Because if you guys don't follow my channel for long, the thrift store here in town is ridiculously expensive. They have this gorgeous little white teapot. Really pretty. For $30. And just, you know, dishes are $5 a piece. I mean, it's just ridiculous. You can find a lot of vintage pieces at this thrift store as this is a senior community. So, yeah. So they donate a lot of vintage things. But they are little pricey and sometimes they're okay on their prices. So I went ahead and got this, which I absolutely love. Look at this. It is huge. It is brand new. It is $24.99 at TJ Maxx. So yeah, this was a great find. And I was able to get this for $8. And I'm going to use this in my butler's closet. Okay. Then I got adorable. I got this a vintage and it's by Flotsgraph. I don't know. Got a weird name on there. But I got this as a vase. And this was $1. See, is the camera picking it up? And I thought this would be adorable for spring. See how I'm coming in with the yellow? Yeah. Okay. And then this actually has more pieces. That's why I plan to use that piece as a base for my tablescape. So look at this. We've got the creamer and we've got the sugar dish. So it's the same set, and this set was $3, which is not a bad deal. Not a bad deal. So see, I'm not sure if this was a mug, but this is tall enough that I can totally use it as a vase. Okay, so that was a cute find. Then I got this basket to put up on the wall so I can hang another natural plant, of course. I know, I'm obsessed with natural plants. I love them. They're my friends. Okay, and then for the next find, this was an amazing find. That I might not keep. Oh my gosh, let me see if I can lift this with my right hand that right hand that I hit when I fell is still a little sprained. So I got this whole entire set. Let's see if you can see this, guys. For $6. This is unheard of in this thrift store. So I tell you, plates are $5 a piece. And this is like 70s vintage. And we have, look at this. This is from Japan. And this is the Somerville 2152. So it is numbered. And this is the Nori Take set. And do you remember this from the 70s? Adorable. Look at this. So then I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these coffee saucers. And then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of the other plates. Salad plates, I guess, or underliners. I don't know. Because we still have another layer here of plates. Okay, so then these are a little bigger than those. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then with these, and then the coffee cup, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my God, what a cool set. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the dinner plate. So again, this is Nori Take Cooking Serve, Japan, Somerville, China, $21.52. So we have this plate, which is the dinner plate. Then we have this size plate. And then we have this size plate. So see now how we have 3 different sizes? But I didn't get any bowls with this. But that's okay. Guys, we'll continue with the video in a moment. I did look this up on eBay, and I found the cup and the saucer for $7.99 and $8.99 shipping. Then I found the creamer by itself for $7.99 and $8.99 shipping. And then I found the set of salt and pepper shakers for $15.99 with $8.99 shipping. This is an adorable set. Beautiful china from Japan. You just can't beat the price. And here is the underliners with the coffee cups. Okay, so this for $6 was amazing price for fine china made in Japan. This is completely vintage. Now I gotta look it up and see what year it is and how much it's worth. So, my sister was telling me the other day that she needed a plate set. And she wanted to use my mom's Franciscan set for every day. And I'm kind of like going, well, yeah, you can have the set, but don't use it every day. Kind of, you know, I don't want the pieces to break. So I don't know. Maybe I'll call my sister, and see if she wants this set to use every day. Oh my God, you guys gotta see this. There's just no way. Let's see. What are you doing? Are you grabbing my home decor? Is that my birdhouse? What did you do? Are you a bad dog? Huh? Do you want to pray? You come over here. Sit. 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 You pray right now. You pray for forgiveness. Come on, pray. Pray. Okay, good boy. You don't take my home decor. No, you behave. Rick, behave. Did you see that little booger took that wooden birdhouse from my little table? Come here. Are you a bad dog? Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you later today with another Dollar Tree neutral farmhouse Valentine decor. And I also have an open invite for you creators out there. Okay, guys, see you later. Bye-bye.